Good morning, guys. I have no clue where we're at. little let you guys know where we're at. Just gonna do some walking around this morning. Another walking around. But pulled over here. Pulled over to park and we're checking out these plants here. Pretty neat looking. Right in somebody's house, they're just selling the plants. Pretty cool.
Gusto ko one side. Dapat maliit lang siya. Maliit.
Yeah, just selling it right out of their house here. Alfie Bonifacio, City Councilor 2019. Elections is coming up. That's pretty neat looking up there. They got that house pretty nicely decorated with greenery, plants and stuff up there. So we're going to just take a little stroll around here. Just driving around, found this little place. I said, let's pull over and let's take a walk through. It looks pretty neat. So that's what we're doing. All right,
Yes.
what is the name of this town?
Welcome to Sapang Batu, everyone.
Sapang Banduk.
Sapang Batu.
That's the name of this barangay. Let me get it right, barangay. Neat, it's pretty neat. Roads are pretty narrow up in here. Like right on the other side there is, I think, Clark.
Yes.
I think on the other side is Clark there. But we're just going to take a little stroll through here. Looks like it's a pretty clean little barangay. See what we can find.
You can find church.
A church. There's always a church somewhere. That place is for sale. That house. Contact number. Looks like a little fort. There's a puppy. Oh, puppy. Yeah, the streets are pretty narrow here. We're trying to find a place to park on this road, but man, it's like parking is premium here. Some Boko juice.
Looking for
fresh. They got a little market here. We'll check out the little market, see what they got. Oh yeah, we were looking for the hot spring. That's not too good there. Should have a fan or something for the flies. Hello. Oh, found the basketball court. Hello. Found the basketball court. There's always a basketball court. That's pretty nice in there. Step in here. They got it really. Check out the paintings. Painting on the walls here look pretty cool. I don't know how well you can see it. It's dark in here. Hello! Really nice painting in here. They got to really paint it up really nice. Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan. I don't know where, oh, there's what. Huh? Yeah. They got it really nicely painted also.
yeah.
There's a church. It's always a church. Sapang Bato.
Sapang Batu.
Sambag, huh?
Sapang Batu.
Sapapang to. Oh, look, recycling.
That was supposed to be.
Look at that, recycling. That's great. I like seeing that. Plastic recycling here. Come up, dump your plastic in there and they'll recycle it. I like seeing that. Like I said, it's election time. Everybody's got their sign out. Hello.
What's up, man?
How are you? All right. Who's winning? Who's winning? Playing cards. Who's winning? This one. All right. Good job. Hello. Banana Q.
Oh, it's lumpia.
Oh, that's lumpia. No, that's banana Q.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, banana Q and lumpia.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Looking for something.
Let's looking for something. I don't know. What is that tree?
Kaimito.
Huh?
Kaimito.
Kainito.
Kaimito.
Kaimito.
I don't know what to do.
There's little fruits up there. I don't know if you can see them. Let me. I don't want to get hit here. Let me hold that there for a second. What? There's little fruits on there. If I can zoom in, you can see them. Little green fruits on there.
Oh, that's so cool.
And right next to it is
Papaya.
papaya. Right next to that is
Malunggay.
malunggay.
Kaimito. Kaimito.
Kainito. Did I ever eat that?
Huh?
Did I ever eat that?
No.
No. Right down, they'll fall in the hole. Yeah, we're following the sign to a hot spring, but we didn't find a hot spring yet. More people running, counselors. Don't get run over, Lut. Hello, good morning. Sounds like a metal shop in there. Where's rice?
There.
Barbecue at night. Sorry store. Trinket store. We gotta watch here. Don't get hit. Don't get run over. Selling their fruits.
That's the one.
Oh, okay. That's it. What's that called again?
Kaimito.
Mito. Fresh?
Yeah. We just picked that up.
Let's gonna buy some when we come back,
Yeah, so you can try that.
so I can try it. Hello. Everybody's selling something here, huh?
Kinda.
Bakery over there.
Yeah.
Cinder blocks there. A little bit of everything here. Good morning. Looks like a hardware store.
Yeah.
Edward Lackey, counselor. Oh, here's a little market. That's pretty nice decor. That's pretty nice paint job. Either paint or decal. I think that's decals.
Payment.
Yeah, decals on that. Yeah. Yeah, that's decals. Pretty nice. There's a little market. Oh, look at this guy. What kind of bird?
African bird.
African gray? That's not African gray. What kind of bird is that? It's a parrot of some nature.
African.
African.
African gray? Yeah. We're in the Philippines, not in Africa.
They're still young. So
Yeah, that's a
young,
baby.
they have like,
As you can see, his feathers are still. Where's the mother? Ty? Can I see the mother? It's okay? Okay. Let me go see the mother here. You raise these and then you sell them, right? You sell these birds, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get his own little
hey, buddy.
bird thing going on back in here. So I don't know what they are, but that's a pretty blue.
Where? Oh, that one too.
Yeah, that's like a parrot. Cockatoo. Cockatiel.
Kakatu.
Cockatoo. Cockatiel. Cockatoo.
Kailangan sila ano? Together?
There's a couple right here.
Magkakapares niyan dyan.
Oh, they said you're going to buy it. You need to buy it.
In a pair. They're like a lovebird.
Yeah, lovebird.
Yeah, they're like a lovebird. Oh, here's some more. Come on out. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Maybe Peter.
Yeah.
Peter
pretty
wants to
cool.
get it. Where's that?
I think we called them like a parakeet back home.
Parrot man yun siya.
Ano yan, te? Parakeet, lovebird.
You call them a lovebird.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, buddy. I like your color. You're so
Yeah, they are pretty.
Oh, that's my favorite one there.
Yellow one.
Yes, that's my color.
These here too.
Can you talk? Can you talk?
Very cool.
Hey, hey, can you
Oh,
talk?
look at these guys down here.
Look at this. Can you talk?
All right. Here it is. A little setup here.
Magkano yung ano niyo?
1.5 yung pares.
Sige,
Magkano?
per pair, 1,515.
1,500 for a pair.
It's like,
That's pretty good. I guess if you're looking for a bird, I'm not looking for a bird.
it's like
Well, that's pretty good.
15.
Yeah, like no, 1,000 is about 30 bucks. 30 bucks.
Huwag ka magbabay.
Pretty cool. Never know till you ask. Pretty neat, huh? 1,500 is like 30 bucks.
20?
Yeah, 30
30
bucks. Yep, 30 bucks. Oh, we got a little basketball court here. Very neat. Thank you. I don't need a bird though. Who, Peter? Yeah, you never know. That was cool. I say, guys, all you got to do is ask people, and they'll show you. Say hello, be friendly. They're going to be friendly right back. Oh, live tilapia. Live tilapia.
I'm expecting for like a very big mother.
No, they're a little bird. See, he told me, when he said it is an African gray, it's like, no, that's not an African gray. I know what an African gray looks like. That's why I asked if I could see the mother. Because when I seen the mother, see, they call him a different, like he was calling that one, I forget what he was calling it, parrot, or I don't know, but we called him a parakeet back in the States. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Hello.
It's like okay.
It's not
No, I think that's
regular store. Oh. All right, we'll walk down here. What is this? The barangay hall down here? Maybe we can ask for the what do you call it? Is that we were looking for?
hot spring.
Hot spring. Yeah.
Hot
Andy's Rice Store. communication tower or something. Nice little breeze. Yeah. Yeah. Fall. Hello, good morning.
He says still far. But this is over here, the house.
Just keep following this road. Alright. Alright guys. Made it down to the Barangay Hall here. And we're gonna look for this hot spring. We'll see if we can find the hot spring. Alright guys, we have found, what is this called? The hot spring? What is it?
Puning.
Puning hot spring. Up outside Clark here, Angeles City area. We're not going to go do it today. This is one of those where we're going to come back. It's going to be an all-day event. Hang out here, but I'll tell you what, it's up here. Looks pretty neat. We went inside, got the information and stuff, but let me show you the outside here. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the outside area, parking area. Puning Hot Spring and Restaurant. They got like a package deal where it takes you up into the hot springs and just a bunch of different things. So Google it online if you want to see what they offer. Like I said, we're going to do this some other time, but man, is it nice up here. Nice, and it's like tucked up here in the mountains. When we came up here, we drove up here, and it twists and turns up it through the mountains. So anyways, that is... We found what we were looking for. You got to get on the four-wheelers and they take you up to the hot springs and stuff. So Flip says she's going to drive. So anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned for this one coming up because we are definitely going to be coming up here. It's better when you come up with more than 3 people. You get a discount. So we'll be up here. So we're going to wrap this one up, and tomorrow's another day.